Are you looking for ways to turn your coaching skills into a profitable online business? If so, you're in the right place. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the most effective methods for making money through online coaching. Target audience. Before we dive into the strategies, let's define the target audience. Online coaching can benefit anyone who is looking to improve their skills, mindset, or personal/professional growth. However, to make your business successful, you need to have a specific target audience in mind. Think about the pain points and challenges that your ideal clients face. What are the skills they want to learn or improve, and how can you help them achieve their goals? Identifying your target audience and their needs is the first step to building a successful online coaching business. Different types of coaching. Online coaching can take many forms, and it's essential to choose the right type of coaching for your audience. Some of the most common types of coaching are life coaching, business coaching, career coaching, health and wellness coaching, relationship coaching. Each type of coaching has its own unique set of benefits and challenges. For example, life coaching can help people achieve their personal goals and overcome challenges, while business coaching focuses on helping entrepreneurs grow their businesses. It's essential to choose the type of coaching that aligns with your expertise and target audience. Marketing strategies. Now that you have identified your target audience and chosen the type of coaching, it's time to develop a marketing strategy. Marketing is crucial to the success of your online coaching business, and there are many ways to promote your services. Some of the most effective marketing strategies are social media marketing. Use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to reach your target audience and build a community around your coaching services. Paid advertising. Paid advertising can help you reach a broader audience and increase your visibility. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads allow you to target specific demographics and interests. Email marketing. Build an email list and use it to promote your services, share valuable content, and establish a relationship with your subscribers. When developing your marketing strategy, it's essential to focus on providing value to your audience. Share your expertise, provide useful tips and insights, and engage with your followers to build a loyal community. Pricing and revenue models. One of the most critical factors in building a successful online coaching business is pricing. Setting the right prices for your services can be a daunting task, but there are several factors to consider. These include your target audience. Your pricing should align with the financial capabilities of your target audience. If you're targeting high-end clients, you can charge premium prices, but if your audience is more budget-conscious, you may need to adjust your pricing accordingly. Your expertise. Your pricing should reflect your level of expertise and the value you bring to your clients. If you have years of experience and a proven track record of success, you can charge higher prices. Your revenue model. There are several revenue models for online coaching, including one-on-one coaching, group coaching, and membership programs. Each model has its own pricing structure and revenue potential. Case studies and success stories. To provide inspiration and guidance, let's take a look at some real-life examples of successful online coaching businesses. Marie Forleo. Marie Forleo is a life coach and business strategist who has built a massive online following through her YouTube channel and online courses. She offers one-on-one coaching, group coaching, and online programs, with prices ranging from $1,000 to $10,000 plus. Tony Robbins. Tony Robbins is a renowned life coach and motivational speaker who has built an empire through his books, live events, and online coaching programs. His online coaching programs include personal development, health and wellness, and business coaching, with prices ranging from $299 to $1,000 plus. 3. Jasmine Star. Jasmine Star is a social media strategist and business coach who has built a successful online coaching business through her Instagram and YouTube channels. She offers one-on-one coaching and online courses, with prices ranging from $500 to $3,000 plus. These successful coaches have one thing in common: they provide immense value to their clients and are passionate about their work. By sharing their stories and strategies, we can learn valuable lessons and apply them to our own online coaching businesses. Building a profitable online coaching business requires dedication, hard work, and a strategic approach. By defining your target audience, choosing the right type of coaching, developing a marketing strategy, setting the right prices, and learning from successful coaches, you can turn your coaching skills into a successful online business. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with persistence and a willingness to learn and adapt, you can build a thriving online coaching business that helps people achieve their goals and improves their lives.